If you are a beginner DJ or someone who wants to learn DJing, this video is super important. How much important? I would say this is the very core of DJing. But before that, hello people, what's up? This is Abhijit, your DJ instructor for the day. And if you guys are interested in DJing and music production tips and tricks, do subscribe to my channel because it's free. Now let's get down to business. So this is what each and every DJ do after he downloads his music. So basically, each song is divided into beats, bars, and phrases. Suppose we take this song is known as Carnival. And if we listen to this song will go like. Suppose we hear the song, the kick you hear are the beats. So basically these are known as the beats of a song. Okay, and we usually count this till 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 99% of the EDM songs that you hear follow this structure. There are other structures as well, but this is the most common one. So we will focus on this one. So this song has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern. So let's hear it. We see this song has a repetitive pattern of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is known as a bar. So basically a bar has 4 beats. Okay, so like this is 1, 2, 3, 4 first bar, 1, 2, 3, 4 second bar, 1, 2, 3, 4 third bar, like this. So a group of these bars, that is usually it's like 4 or 8 bars, is known as phrases. For example, I'll show you. Now the question arises, how will we recognize that this is a new phrase? And the answer is very, very simple. That is, whenever you see an addition or subtraction of a new instrument or a new element of a song, just realize it that this is a new phrase. Suppose in this song, if you hear it, so this is the first phase. Now this is second phase. You can hear the kick has more bass and the bass line is added. Now here comes the third phase and you can see that kick is no more. Now this is the fourth phase. As you can see, many more new elements are added. Okay, suppose we listen to this song. So there is like, this is like first phase, second phase, third phase. So now if we categorically divide this song, the song has different segments like intro, build up, drop, breakdown, etc. So these segments help us figure out where to mix in the second song. So this song has different, segments and we'll figure it out right now. So this is pretty basic stuff and I expect you guys to know this. So if you guys don't know this, do let me know in the comment section and I'll make a dedicated video on this. So let's just figure out how this song is structured. Okay, so now if we look at the song structure, this song structure has 16 bar intro, that is two phrases, then a 8 bar build up, that is one phrase, then a 16 bar drop, that is two phrases again, then a 16 bar breakdown, that is two phrases again, then a 8 bar build up, that is one phrase, then a 16 bar drop, that is two phrases, then a 16 bar outro, again two phrases. So this is how this song is structured. This thing is very important because this thing will help when we mix two songs. The download link of the song is in the description. Do download it and check it yourself whether you guys are able to figure it out or not. So this is what any DJ do after he downloads his music. That is, he listens to the song and figure out its structure. This is like very important because this will help in mixing that I will explain to you in the further videos. So for the time being, that's all for the day. And in the next video, I'll explain what is BPM and why it's so important and how it is useful in DJing. But before that, I want you guys to do one thing, that is to choose one song and make a structure like I have shown in this video in the comment section, and I'll personally review and check it. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and do click on the video that is appearing on the screen to know more tips and tricks like this.